In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the new way to get 1000 TikTok followers, and this is the best way. And I just come up with this idea today, and I was like, why not make a video sharing this with other people? So I made some videos about this in my another channel, as you can see, about how you can get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute. And if you go to the comments, a lot of people seem to like this video, but after 1 year, this method doesn't help you get 1000 TikTok followers. It only helps like with 50, 100 followers, 200 followers. So it will take time to get 1000 TikTok followers. It will take like 1 day. That's why people seem not to watch this video that much compared to when I first uploaded it. But still, people like just 4 weeks, as you can see, people still like this video. For like people like this comment was 6 months ago, and it was like I upgraded for 19 to 32 so far. As you can see, this guy said it worked, although I never got 1000. I did go from 0 to 50 in 1 minute. So this is a new method. I'm just going to open my phone right now, and I'm going to explain to you guys, like I said, 2 methods on how you can do this. Okay, I'm going to show you 2 ways on how you can get 1000 TikTok followers. Now this is an old method, and I'm going to show you guys the new way right now. And I'm just going to open my phone right now. Let's get started. Like 3, 1. Yeah, we started now. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to go to your TikTok. Okay, open your TikTok. And after, guys, you open your TikTok, as you can see, just have like a couple of accounts, and all of them has like millions of views. I'm also, by the way, I'm also going to show you how you can get millions of views on this video. So as you can see, like at 3 million views, 1 million, 400, 700. I'm also going to show you how you can do that. Now just let me switch to my another account. This is my other accounts, guys. I got most of these followers by the method that I'm about to show you right now. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, I'm just going to go to my new account, and I'm going to click on search. Yeah, you want to search. Okay, you want to click on explore or search or whatever here. Just pretend that you are going to search for someone. Okay, search for this name. It's called Mohammed Maftool TikTok. Okay, Mohammed. I'm going to add this name in the screen. Mohammed Maftool TikTok. Okay, now you want to click on search, and you want to open this account. Okay, this is the account that we want to you want to click on. This is a new account. I just created it a few minutes ago. So this is make sure it has the same profile picture. Okay, click on it, and you want to click on these 20 people. Like, make sure the account is following 20 people. Click on these 20 people, and what you need to do, guys, next, you want to follow all these 20 people and wait 10 seconds. Okay, now a lot of people on my previous videos said that like TikTok says like they receive a message that you are following too fast, and the reason for that is because you are following too fast. Like the next, like if you receive a message like that, you just want to wait 24 hours, and next time you do this method, you want to wait 10 seconds between like following and unfollowing. Okay, now like I said, you want to follow all these people and wait 10 seconds and unfollow all these people. Okay, do this as much as you want until you get 1000 TikTok followers. Okay, do this at least like 5 times, and then do it as much as you can to get 1000 TikTok followers. Okay, now you, like I said, follow all these people and wait 10 seconds and unfollow all these people again. Okay, now that's it, guys. It's very simple to get followers on TikTok. Now the second part, like I said, after you do this, guys, as many times as you want, like at least 5 times. Okay, this I just did 3 times. Now do it another 2 times. Okay, now the second way, guys, to get a lot of followers is to click the video in the screen. But before you do that, please drop a like on this video. If you get followers, please drop a like, and you want to click the video in the screen. It will explain to you how you can get followers and also how you can get millions of views. Okay, just click the video in the screen, and you will be able to learn how you can get millions of views and followers this year. Okay, this is a new update. So I hope, guys, this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video. So I will end this. Okay, see you.